Welcome. If you want to make your Telegram group private using the Telegram app on your PC, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to update your group's privacy settings with the latest Telegram update. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Now look through your chat list and open the group that you want to make private. Remember, you need to be an admin of this group to change its privacy settings. Once you're inside the group chat, look towards the top of the window for 3 dots, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with more options. From the menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the settings page for your group, where you can control everything from permissions to privacy. Next, find and click on the option labeled Group Type. This is where you can choose whether your group is public or private. To make your group private, simply select Private Group. When you choose this setting, your group will no longer appear in public searches, and only people with an invite link will be able to join. After selecting Private Group, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. Telegram will update your group instantly, and you'll see that your group is now set to private. That's it. Your Telegram group is now private, giving you more control over who can join and see your group's messages. This is a great way to keep your conversations secure and limit access to only those you trust. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need to update their group privacy too. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more private Telegram experience.